If you own a Can-Am Spyder F3T, F3 Limited, or a 2020 or newer RT model and looking for a way to enhance your visibility while riding, our 180-degree rear view mirror kit is the perfect solution. This innovative kit provides an expansive view of your surroundings, ensuring that you can ride with confidence and safety. The kit includes a high-quality convex mirror that offers a wide 180-degree field of view, significantly reducing blind spots. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through traffic, this mirror kit provides the added visibility you need to ride safely and with peace of mind. The 3¼ inch ram mount twist lock suction cup makes installation a breeze, seamlessly attaching to the dashboard of your Spyder without the need for any permanent modifications, while the adjustable ram extension arm allows you to position the mirror exactly where you need it for optimal visibility. Without further ado, allow our team to walk you through the assembly process.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Align the 2 holes in the diamond base plate with the 2 holes on the top of the suction cup mount. Then insert the 2 provided screws and tighten them down with a Phillips head screwdriver. Locate the hardware bag included with your convex mirror and remove the following items. Please note that there will be extra hardware remaining that is not used for this vehicle application. Grab one of the included Phillips head screws, spread apart the plastic clip, and insert the screw so that it protrudes through the hole on the back side of the clip. Then use a Phillips head screwdriver to screw it into one of the mounting holes on the back side of the convex mirror, making sure not to over tighten. Then repeat this process for the other clip. Slip the included metal bracket in between the 2 plastic mounting clips until the holes are aligned. Grab one of the included M6 screws, add a washer, then slide it through the hole on the plastic clip and metal bracket. Then flip it over and insert one of the included lock nuts into the hex-shaped cutout on the underside of the bracket. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to snug down your hardware, and repeat on other side. Grab the ram extension arm and loosen the adjustment knob so that you can slide it over the tough ball on the suction cup. Then slide the ball on the mirror bracket into the other side. Once both are in place, tighten down the adjustment knob. Once assembly is complete, your mirror should look like this. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the surface area of your dashboard. Then press the suction cup firmly in place and use the twist lock lever to secure it. Remove the protective film and loosen the adjustment knob on the extension arm to adjust the mirror to your desired position.
And that's all there is to it, folks. Now, if enhancing your field of view while riding is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a center rear view mirror kit for your bike. And feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest and greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.